Let me begin by just making the first announcement for all of you is that tomorrow, being July 21, which is our Martyrs' Day, where our chairperson will be making her address and it will be seen virtually across the country. So tomorrow, our daily All India Parliamentary Press Conference will not happen. It will happen again day after tomorrow, but we would invite you to join the live stream tomorrow of Mamata Banerjee's speech. That's one. Now let's go into today's press conference. We begin by saying that this morning, our Lok Sabha members and our Rajya Sabha members, MPs, we were Mahatma Gandhi statue protesting on the issue of Pegasus and the hacking of phones, the snooping, the surveillance, the spending of millions of rupees by Modi and Shah, including members of the judiciary, including journalists, including their opponents and our political strategist and the All India General Secretary and two-time member of the Trinamool, two-time MP of the All India Trinamool Congress and our All India General Secretary, Abhishek Banerjee. So we protested this morning. We have also given notices in both houses. And let me today make it very, very clear. The issue is so important that the All India Trinamool Congress will not allow Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha to run at all till the government comes and has an open discussion on this. Today was the exception because we know that this government tries to do politics with COVID. The discussion is happening today now as we speak in the Rajya Sabha. But after this, no more discussions because they are a big issue. We are very simple. There's no use to discuss. We don't want any discussion on farmers. Repeal the farm laws and tomorrow discuss Pegasus. Otherwise, All India Trinamool Congress position is no parliament till August 13th. So this parliament, if this government wants parliament to run Pegasus #1 snooping, cheating. Where is the money come from? Thousands of migrant workers, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was asking from day one, put the money of these migrants, put into their bank accounts. Thousands of crores could have been put into the bank accounts, but nothing was put. Taxpayers' money, 3,71,000 crores from these fuel hikes. What have you done with all this money? Now we know what you've done. We were doing some calculations to find out billions of dollars to track your opponents. It's a very serious issue. It has many, many dimensions. My colleague will speak in 3 languages to give you all a very good idea. But on this is national security. There is no question of any compromise and Parliament is in session. And unlike in COVID, where they find one bakra always, health minister got replaced, another health minister, petroleum minister got replaced because the petrol prices went up to 100. No. And the last point before I hand over to my colleague is that this is quite interesting that you tapped the phone of Abhishek Banerjee and others. You dictated to the Election Commission. You used all the agencies at your disposal. You outspent us by 100 times. You broke all the rules. You brought COVID to the state and took it up to 33% during election. You did all this and you still lost Modi and Shah. So as far as the Trinamool Congress goes, next 15 days, 17 days in Parliament, repeal the farmer laws and this on Pegasus. We'll just change the frame now. So we have Mahua at your convenience. Mahua, you can do English, Bangla, Hindi.